Eggplant platter. First we prepare the stuffing ingredient. Put 250 grams of minced meat in the frying pan. Press it as you can to break the shape into small pieces. Add 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Add 120 grams of chopped onions. Add 5 grams of salt over it. Add 2 grams of black pepper. Sprinkle 20 grams of raisins on top. Mix well. Add 20 grams of chopped parsley. Fry medium. Do not overcook. To prepare potatoes and aubergines for later processing, use another frying pan. 1 kilo of eggplant with the peppers. For 400 grams of potatoes. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to the pan. Raw potatoes. Peeled and cut into slices. Fry potato slices. Fry the potatoes lightly. Put eggplant peeled skin in the form of strips. In pan, fry it lightly. Lightly sear the aubergine on the outside until tender. Spread the half-fried potato slices in the bottom of the oven tray. Lightly sear the peppers, cored and ready for stuffing. Open the eggplant with a longitudinal slit. Make the pocket to stuff the ingredients in. Fill the eggplant pocket with the ingredients. CHOP 20 grams petersilia. Make a sauce for the aubergine platter. A tablespoon tomato paste. Add a gram of salt. Squeeze half a lemon and pour the juice in it. Add 200 milliliters of water to dilute. Pour the sauce over the ingredients inside the oven tray. Add one more 100 milliliters of water to sauce. Spread the rest of the excess ingredients over the eggplant dish on the baking tray. After all the ingredients have been added, it's ready for the oven. Place the baking sheet on the bottom of the oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees. Next, change the oven tray and place it on the middle rack for 30 minutes. Enjoy it.
If you have any doubts later and want to browse us again, just subscribe to our channel. This is the easiest way.